Hello, and welcome to the how-to tutorial of Quest Garden. Quest Garden is an online authoring tool that allows you to create, share, and edit web quests. If you've heard of this site before, then you should have some sort of knowledge of what a web quest actually is. But if you don't and you haven't, I can give you a quick review. According to Wikipedia, a web quest is an inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most or all of the info that learners work with comes from the web. Hence, the name Web Quest. Right? They're using the web to search for the solution or for the answer to the quest. So what Quest Garden is designed to do is to make it easier to make a web quest. You can have it critiqued by other professionals, and you can even share web quests all on the same site. So it's very easy to do. So what I'm going to do is guide you through this site and show you how to do all those things that I just mentioned. So if you type in questgarden.com, this is what you see here. You actually come to this home page here. But this is more really up-to-date current event things on this home page. What you really want to go to is about Quest Garden over here on the left. This gives you a basic overview of what it does and what you can do. If you scroll down, they have what features they have now you can do, and some soon. Some that are coming soon. But some of these, as you can see, are for subscribers only. And that's what I'm going to get to next here, the membership. You have to be over 18, so students, you really couldn't sign up for this, but really this is for teachers. Teachers are creating these web quests. Okay, so if you scroll back up, there are many things you can do here. You want to subscribe. If you subscribe, it's $10 for a year or $20 for 2 years. But they do have a free trial for 30 days. Okay, so you can sign up for the free trial. We'll scroll down here. And it basically, you want all of the basic information. Okay, well, that's my stuff there. I'm not going to show you everything. But basically, your typical sign-in page or your creative account page. Okay, so let's go back here. Okay, now what else Quest Garden can do is search for examples of already web quests that are out there. Very easy to walk through recently published web quests. This was pretty cool. Now any teacher can use this site. History, English, science, it doesn't matter because it's not geared towards a certain subject. This is just a web quest for creating online lessons. Everything's online. So here's just some of these. This is from Spain, United States, Colorado, and you can see that some of these are history. Some of these are English. Let's act out some words. That's an English one. Spanish Civil War, rhythm and jazz, music, word quest, another history. Okay, there's lots of different things you can do. But again, these are just the most recently published ones. You can also search more in depth and in more detail to get what you want. Okay, but that is basically how you can create your own web quest. Web quests are very cool. Actually, I'm going to show you one just so you have an idea of what it looks like. Okay, so you can create it here. Introduction, your little introduction to your web quest. If you come down here to task, what you want the students to actually do. Okay, it's usually a group project, so each person in the group has their own specialty. This one, World in the World. One's an animal specialist, a plant specialist, and a weather analyst. And they need to use websites given to them from the teacher to solve this quest. They're going to figure out where they are in the world based off of what animals they see, based off what plants they find, and based on what weather is occurring during those 7 days. Okay, you can go to process. These are the websites that children are told to use. Evaluation. Garden Quest gives you a rubric to use. Conclusion. And credits. You cite all your resources and everything. And teacher page. Just where the teacher got this or shared it from, or what have you. Okay? So that's just a basic Quest Garden tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this, and good luck and have fun doing it.